Are you looking for the top 5 best projectors for streaming Netflix? Looking for the perfect projector to stream Netflix without the hassle? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Hoprun Native 1080p Bluetooth Mini Projector. The Hoprun Native 1080p Bluetooth Mini Projector caught my eye with its affordable price of $84.99. It promises full HD quality in a compact design, making it a great budget-friendly choice for outdoor movie nights. If you want a portable projector that delivers solid performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The native 1920 by 1080 resolution means you'll get sharp visuals, perfect for binge-watching Netflix shows with friends. It also features Bluetooth 5.1, so you can connect it to external speakers for that cinema-like sound experience. Plus, with a weight of just 4.5 pounds, it's incredibly easy to set up wherever you are, whether it's your backyard or a camping trip. This projector has already sold over 6,000 units this month, which shows it's popular among those looking for value. Now, some people complained about the built-in speaker not being loud enough for larger spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're using it outdoors or in a big room, I recommend connecting to Bluetooth speakers anyway, and that's where this projector shines. It's designed for versatility and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable entry-level projector for casual movie nights. Skip this one if you need a high-end experience or plan to use it in very well-lit environments. At this price, it's a fantastic deal for what you get. Now, if the Hoprun speaker limitation concerned you, the next model steps up its audio game significantly.
Product number 2. Arzin Roku TV Smart Projector. Next up is the Arzin Roku TV Smart Projector, priced at $129.98. What caught my attention here is that it comes with Roku built in, so streaming your favorite shows is effortless. If you want a projector that makes watching Netflix as easy as click and play, this is one to consider. With a 1080p HFD resolution, you're looking at a clear and vibrant picture quality that makes every scene pop. It features autofocus and keystone correction, which means you can set it up quickly without fussing over adjustments. The built-in Dolby Audio with dual 5W speakers really enhances the experience. It feels like you're in the middle of the action. Plus, it's lightweight at just 4.64 pounds, so it's portable for outdoor movie nights or even business presentations. This projector has been bought over 2,000 times in the last month, showing a strong interest from viewers. Now, some users found the setup a bit tricky initially, especially if they weren't familiar with Roku. But honestly, once you get through that first-time setup, it makes everything else so simple. The ease of access to over 500 channels and no need for extra remotes is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking to streamline your streaming experience without juggling multiple devices. Skip this one if you're not a fan of Roku or prefer a more traditional interface. Overall, the value for the features here is impressive. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a smart projector for a bit less money.
Product number 3. Arzin EAZ D1 Smart Projector. Right off the bat, it boasts a built-in smart TV OS that allows you direct access to Netflix and other streaming apps without needing an external device. If you want simplicity in setup while enjoying excellent picture quality, this one's for you. It features native 1080p resolution and even supports HDR10 for enhanced contrast, making your viewing experience rich and immersive. The autofocus and keystone correction mean you don't need to fiddle with it for perfect alignment. And with dual 8-watt speakers, you're guaranteed crisp audio that fills the room. This projector has seen over 1,000 purchases recently, which indicates a lot of interest. Now, a few customers have mentioned that the app options are somewhat limited compared to other models. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using Netflix and a few other popular apps, it covers all bases nicely without the clutter. If you're looking for a straightforward projector that does its job well, this is a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free streaming experience right out of the box. Skip this one if you're looking for extensive app support beyond the basics. It's a solid investment for a portable projector. Now, if you're after a top-tier experience, then the next product on this list definitely raises the bar.
Product number 4. Hoprun 4K UHD Home Theater Projector.
Next on the list is the Hoprun 4K UHD home theater projector, priced at $269.99. The 4K support really stood out to me because it promises an incredible viewing experience. If you're serious about movie quality and want to enjoy Netflix in stunning detail, this projector should be on your radar. This projector has built-in Google TV, which lets you access all your favorite streaming services directly. You can control it using voice commands, making it super user-friendly. With a brightness of 400 ANSI lumens, it performs well even in well-lit rooms. If you're hosting a movie night with friends, the high-fidelity sound combined with 4K visuals will definitely impress. It's already sold over 1,000 units this past month, which shows it's gaining traction. However, some users reported that it can be slightly bulky compared to other mini projectors. But honestly, if you're looking for high-end features and don't mind a bit of extra weight for quality, it's definitely worth it. This projector is designed for dedicated home theater experiences. This is perfect for you if you want to invest in a projector that offers amazing picture and sound quality. Skip this one if you need something ultra portable or if you're on a very tight budget. The value for the sharpness of the image and features is impressive. Alright, let's wrap things up with the most feature-rich option on this list. Product number 5. Vopples 4K Smart Projector. Finally, we have the Vopples 4K Smart Projector, coming in at $429.99. What grabbed my attention is its all-in-one streaming capabilities with access to over 10,000 apps. If you want a powerful, future-proof projector that can do it all, this one stands out. With 4K support and HDR10, you're set for an incredible viewing experience with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. The built-in Google Assistant allows for hands-free control, which is super convenient when you just want to kick back and enjoy your movie. Plus, the autofocus and smart avoidance features make setup a breeze. It's a bit heavier at 5.29 pounds, but packed with features that make it worth the extra weight. It's been bought over 1,000 times in the past month, indicating that users are excited about its capabilities. Some users mentioned that the price might be steep for casual viewers, but look, if you're serious about your home theater setup or plan on using this projector frequently for gaming and streaming, the investment pays off in quality and convenience. This is perfect for you if you want a premium projector experience that covers all your entertainment needs. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or are just looking for something basic. It's a solid investment for serious movie lovers and gamers alike. To recap, we've covered some fantastic options: the budget-friendly Hoprun native 1080p mini projector, the Orzen Roku TV smart projector that simplifies streaming, the Easy D1 for easy access to apps, the Hoprun 4K projector for stunning quality, and the feature-rich Vopples 4K smart projector. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Hoprun 4K UHD home theater projector because it combines high-quality visuals with user-friendly features for a great streaming experience. I'd advise avoiding the Vopples if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, as it's a significant investment. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.